This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kosmac. Beautiful 2-bedroom 2-bathroom corner unit condo in Davie, overlooking the Grand Oaks Golf Course. This fully furnished condo floods with natural light and features an open layout. Enjoy a private balcony with beautiful golf course and lake views, one assigned parking space, and plenty of guest parking. The community is peaceful and surrounded by nature while still being close to shopping, dining, and major highways. Located within walking distance to Nova Southeastern University, it offers both comfort and convenience. Don't miss this opportunity to live in one of Davie's most desirable locations. Contact me today to schedule a showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Kosmac at 954-491-3100.